I heard a scream, then a deafening explosion, and everything vanished. I don't remember why. I don't know what happened. But when I opened my eyes, I wasn't me anymore. Space shattered. A blinding white light burned through my memories. A shriek like a raging vortex. Heavy, deep. Not of the human world. I fell. No, not falling down, but being torn out of myself. No gravity, no body, no heartbeat. Only darkness. And a faint crack, somewhere deep inside me. When I came to, I couldn't move. I tried to struggle, but there was nothing to move. No arms, no legs, no mouth, no eyes. I couldn't see a single light. What on earth had happened to me? I could feel it instead. Cold, solid, unbearably heavy. I was surrounded by darkness and stone. And then, slowly, it sank in. I was the stone. A single, lonely rock. No voice, no one to hear, no one to see. And worst of all, no one knew I had once been human. Fear coiled in me, crawling over the strange stillness. I wanted to escape. I tried to writhe, to sense my surroundings, thoughts scattering like sparks of panic. Where am I? Why am I like this? Am I dreaming? If so, how do I wake up? Right now, I can feel the line between reality and dream blurring to nothing. Am I truly alive, or am I still dreaming? Was I a rock all along, or once a person? Everything slipped beyond my grasp. Before I could even collect myself inside that haze of questions, a tremendous boom rose from deep beneath the ground. The earth split open. The air stank of sulfur. Flashes of red light flickered in the distance. I realized it then. A volcano erupting. Molten rivers crawling closer, burning everything in their path. Yet the world was eerily silent. No cities, no people, not a single creature's cry. Only nature's fury. I began to tremble. The rock broke loose from the cliffside. I tumbled down a jagged slope, striking again and again, each impact a violent shock. I didn't feel pain, but I could feel life quivering around me. And then I started to notice, in some strange, inexplicable way, but undeniable, I was no longer myself. I was beginning to perceive this world differently. I had no eyes, yet I could still see, with a vague and alien sense that wasn't sight at all. Up in the sky, it wasn't the moon, but a searing red mass, choked with dust and ash. On the ground, cracks splitting open. Smoke curling upward. No grass, no trees, only something boiling beneath the surface. I could feel it. This world was about to be born. Not beautiful, not gentle, but alive and ferocious, like the very first breath of life, trying to claw its way into existence. My thoughts drift back again. I remember, faintly, a wall, a book, a voice, something called time. But everything is blurred, as though I'm only a passerby in my own life. Who was I? Did I die? Or was I dragged here to live again, inside something that should be lifeless? Something else is coming. I can't resist anything in this world. I'm sliding, carried by a stream of mud and ash. Rain begins to fall. Not clean water. Each drop lightly eats into my surface. I don't feel pain, yet I know I'm being changed. A strange new sensation stirs inside me. Could this be acid rain? My first time feeling it in the body of a stone. Every drop makes a sound, like the earth itself sighing. And then, on the horizon, something colossal moves. Not an earthquake, not a volcano, but danger drawing near, and I cannot hide. I am motionless. I cannot run. I cannot scream. I can only lie there and witness. That black shadow, coming straight toward me. The sky tears open. A vast object, like the burning eye of the universe, dives toward the planet. No sound, no warning. Only a harsh red flash. Then the ground explodes like the scream of a newborn world. I, a tiny stone who once thought myself immortal, am blown into the sky, spinning in the hot wind, dragged into the heart of the impact. In an instant, I shatter into hundreds of fragments. Maybe I won't last long in this form. I am not human, not myself anymore. But this world is calling me, pushing me toward its depths. And I know this is only the beginning.